Went to the grocery today and checked the discount bin, and I got some really good bargains. I got these onions, and I forgot what they're called, but I think they were the expensive kind, whatever they are. I've got a photo of it. I got these 3 more peppers, orange, yellow, and red. I can always use peppers. I got apples, more apples, three more apples, and 3 oranges. Got a bunch of these little cutie type oranges. And 3 acorn squash. Each package was 99 cents. So for $6, I got quite a bit of food. Now I'll have to just do something with it.